I just come here to buy the Xiaomi 17 Pro phone. So I'm gonna sell my Oppo phone. Let's start our journey. Someone is selling a Xiaomi 17 Pro, which have a 6500 milliamp hour battery with back screen, so which I can also use for vlogging. I think this is the building. I do not exactly remember. Someone is selling the Xiaomi 17 Pro for 500 US dollar. I think it's a very good deal. Hello.
Can I have two?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. G.
Ui, ok em xíu.
Xiaomi.
Yes.
I bought this phone. Come on, yes, yeah. So I got this very good deal. It's a very nice phone. I mean, this is the reason why iPhone is dead. This is the reason why iPhone is dead. Amazing, beautiful phone. So remember to subscribe and bye.
Jimmy stares at his screen till 3, writing lines in C++ eagerly. He loves his keyboard more than the club, fixing his bugs on his